Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you have not yet subscribed, then please support me by subscribing my channel and also press the bell icon to get my further video notifications. As Diwali is around the corner, we all are decorating our homes with diyas and lights. So why not to make one Diwali special, a showstopper dessert? So today I will be showing you how to make chocolate diyas. So for this, first I am going to melt some dark chocolate. Here I have taken 150 gram of dark chocolate. I am using double boiler method to melt my chocolate. I am boiling water on a vessel, and on top of that I will keep my chopped chocolates in another vessel. Now it will take some time to melt. And one very important thing, make sure a single drop of water should not fall in your chocolate, as it will ruin your chocolate. Now I have taken this plastic mold of diya shape, and now will pour the melted chocolate into this. Now fill the chocolates in the mold. And now like this, just rotate it so that the melted chocolate coats all the sides of the mold. Cover all the edges properly. Now after a nice coat, drain all the excess chocolates. Now with a tissue paper, clean all the edges properly, the surfaces. Now once the chocolate dried, I found that it is very thin layer, so I put some more melted chocolate to give a thick coat so that while demolding it will not break. So I put another thick layer of chocolate. Cover all the edges very nicely. Now rotate this. Now keep this in fridge for 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, we will now demold this very carefully. Just flip this and your chocolate diya is now ready. I have prepared 8 diyas. Now we'll make the oil part. Now to make the oil in the diya, I am preparing custard. So I am boiling half liter milk, and in 3 tablespoon cold milk I am mixing 3 spoon of mango custard powder. For this mixing, you have to take room temperature milk, cold milk only. Otherwise, in hot milk lumps will create and it will not mix properly. Now I am adding 5 tablespoons of sugar in the boiling milk. And now slowly we'll add the custard mix, and at the same time we have to mix it continuously and cook this in medium flame for few minutes. Once you see the mixture is getting thick, just switch off the flame and allow this to cool at room temperature. Now we will pour this in our chocolate diyas. Make sure your custard should be at room temperature before pouring this in chocolate diyas, otherwise the chocolate diyas will melt. Now like this, fill all the chocolate diyas with custard. Now for the dhaga part, I am taking one banana and now we'll cut this in thin slices like this. Now very carefully put this in your diyas. Now like this we'll do the rest dhagas. See, all are done now. Now we will decorate our diyas. Now for the decoration of diya, I am putting pomegranate, that is anardana, into it. It looks a very bright look. Now my Diwali special dessert is ready. Hope you all like this recipe. Try this and let me know. If you like it, then please like, share and comment below. Wishing everyone a safe, happy Diwali. Thanks for watching. Bye.